सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास और सबका प्यास। जी हाँ, मैं सिद्धार्थ आज फिर और एक ब्लॉग के साथ यू एंड मी एक्सप्लोर के साथ, और आज मैं एक्सप्लोर करने वाला हूँ दिल्ली की बहुत पुरानी नेशनल जूलॉजिकल पार्क। Basically, National Zoological Park is one of the favorite hangout area of families, particularly the one with small kids. It is located in the heart of the city. The National Zoological Park houses about 1350 animals and birds of over 130 species sources from across the globe. From the Royal Bengal tiger to the Indian swamp deer, Asiatic lion, deer and red jungle fowl. The Delhi Zoo houses them all. It is inaugurated in 1959. National Zoological Park, also known as Chidiyaghar, is the National Zoological Park is well maintained and is largely visited by tourists. It has canteen inside for the visitors and battery operated vehicle at every reasonable price, which you could use if exhausted. But the real fun is in exploring the place on your feet. Visit this destination to reignite your curiosity in our furry friends. From biggest cats to the tiniest birds, the zoo has all kinds of animals and birds. Initially, it was known as Delhi Zoo when in 1982 it was renamed the National Zoological Park with the idea of making in a model zoo of the country. In this park, birds and animals live in an environment that in many ways resemble their natural habitat. The zoo not only provides a home for endangered species but also helps them to breed in captivity. It also holds conservation breeding program for Asiatic lion, Royal Bengal tiger, deer, swamp deer, and red jungle fowl. Eventually, they may once again thrive in the world. As you enter the National Zoological Park, several fantastic creatures welcome you to their way of life. Hippopotamus, spider monkey, lion, Royal Bengal tiger, Arctic deer, swamp deer, black buck, white buck, leopard, chinkra, deer lion trail, macaque on horn, Himalaya black bear, Indian porcupine, jaguar, wild boar, Indian and zebra are found here in this park. A number of birds such as a great Indian hornbill, peafowl, storks, spoonbill and eagles can be found here as well. The center of the zoo has an underground reptile house which has different reptiles such as Indian star tortoise, Indian rock python, common red snakes, Indian cobra, diamond snake, and Indian sand boa is present here as well. By 2008, it had 1347 animal and 127 species. Have more enriched environment for the animals, accurate of animal exhibits, conservation, education, and sustainable management practices. We are working towards generating awareness and compassion in the society towards wildlife and to garner their support for the nation conservation effort. We also strive to play an effective role in species preservation and reducing man-animal conflict in urban landscape. Yes, I agree, it is happening all the time. The park is home to a large number of species of birds, reptiles and mammals which live in an environment that in many ways resembles their natural habitat. The zoo not only provides a home for endangered species but also helps them to bear well the captivity. Some of the special attractions at the zoo include white tiger, gaur, jaguar, elephant, burro alternate, deer, many more. And it is beautiful birds like lovebirds, eagle, owl, this is the canteen area which I talked to you before. See the crocodile. Something different kind of crocodile is here with a green water. See the crocodile. And now white deer. Wow, so beautiful. And this is called Indian gander. Basically in India we use this word. And after that the beautiful tiger, Bengal tiger, then elephants. It's a beautiful place. So whenever you're traveling to Delhi, so don't miss this place. Basically Delhiites are traveling, they are going, they are enjoying, they are exploring. So whenever you travel to Delhi, please visit this place and enjoy exploring the wildlife, the zoo, the different kind of animals, birds. So finally I am going to stop my video. If you like this video, then please comment, subscribe and like and share as well. So we'll see you in the next video. Now I am going with this leopard. He's dropping at my house. Yes. Okay then, my dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video. So let's have some snacks, then let's go home and just make it memorable. Thank you so much. See you on next video. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.